The date is Thursday, June 1st. I'm Louis Morals, and this is a Market Bull Update. U.S. companies have signed $8 billion in deals with Vietnam following a meeting between their Prime Minister and President Trump, in another victory for Agent Orange. For some history, in 1973, the U.S. withdrew from Vietnam after the Paris Peace Accords, a nice parallel to the U.S. entering Vietnam as we withdraw from the Paris Climate Agreement. There's beauty in symmetry. Shareholders of Exxon voted in favor of more disclosure around the business risks posed by climate change policy, sending a message that investors want energy companies to focus on low-carbon alternatives even as the U.S. pulls out of the Paris Accords. 63% of shareholders voted for the non-binding agreement, though given Exxon's history of ignoring 97% of scientists who agree that climate change is real, we doubt this will be a watershed moment, at least figuratively. In a divorce, smart kids choose to live with the richer parent. And after HP split into HP Inc. and HP Enterprises in 2015, it's now clear that the kids should have gone with Inc. Last week, HP Inc., who makes computers, posted an excellent quarter, while yesterday HP Enterprises, who makes servers, posted declining revenue. There's a lesson here, kids. When I divorce your mother, think about which parent's more like a computer and which is more of a server. You're going to want to live with Dad. We love it when two bullies team up to take a loser's lunch money, but it's tough to know who to root for when the bullies fight each other over who gets a bigger share. This is the situation playing out as Express Scripts, a pharmacy benefits manager currently being sued for overcharging insurers, is itself suing drug maker Calio after they quadrupled the price of an opioid overdose treatment. To break it down, the drug maker overcharges the pharmacy, while the pharmacy overcharges the insurer, while all of the costs flow through to the consumer, who then rightly blames everything on Obamacare. It would be the perfect business model if everyone could just get along, but you know how addicts are about needing to get that last hit. A solution would be to have the same company make the opioids people are ODing on and the overdose treatment. Keep them hooked and coming back for more. It's the Occam's razor and blades model of profiting off addiction. The largest meat packer in the world, J&F, has agreed to pay a $3.2 billion fine for bribing Brazilian politicians. The last time I was in Brazil, I ended up taking money from a meat packer, and it was not fine. This has been a Market Bull Update. I'm your host, Louis Morals, reminding you that the pursuit of happiness is a zero-sum game.